Kaya naman,
Let's go eat!
panoorin.
Oh, I love you, boy!
Hope you enjoy it!
How do you want to be remembered? You guys support to me, and I love you guys so much. And you guys are the reason na kung bakit nangyari yun. And bakit nandito po ako ngayon na where I'm at today. And I'm really thankful po and grateful sa lahat po ng support na binigay niyo po sa akin. Even when I couldn't see you guys because I was inside the house. And ayun guys, I love you guys so much lahat ng support niyo. And then, I promise you guys, I'm gonna keep doing better and better para sa inyo. I love you guys so much. Thank you.
Grabe yun. Pete, of course, after mo mapanood lahat ng mga videos, do you have any message or like reaction lang sa mga napanood natin?
That was gonna make me cry, dude. I just wanna say thank you guys, everyone, every single one of you guys. Maraming salamat sa suporta na binibigay niyo po sa akin at sa pamilya ko. And you guys are the best, and you guys are the reason why everything in my life has changed for the good po. And I love you guys so much, and you guys are my fuel for my passion, my music, acting, my talents. I'm doing this all for you guys. You guys are the best. I love you guys so much. Love you guys.
We love you, Hit. Of course, sobrang deserve mo ang lahat ng pagmamahal at suporta ng lahat ng mga tao ngayon. Kaya naman, congratulations, of course, sa gabing ito. And grabe yun din yung suporta ng pamilya mo na nandito ngayon. At medyo umiiyak na din sila. Kaya naman, iyakan na rin mo. E pinapalit ko lang kasi parang bagsak na din yung heartbeat. Kaya naman, eto pa, hindi pa rin natatapos ang gabing ito. Kaya meron din po, of course, hinanda ang ibang mga fans mo ngayong gabing ito. Kaya tawagin na rin natin sila para magbigay ng gifts.
Hello.
Oh, Marla.
Whoa.
Hello po.
Hi!
Kaya, ito yung gift ko sa'yo. What?
Yo, thank you.
So, ayan, mag-message muna ako sa'yo.
Sige.
I thank God talaga na binigay ka sa amin
Ay, nakatawa.
Kasi super, yung buhay namin before na nakilala ka namin, it was just black and white. Pero nung binigay ka sa amin ni Lord, like parang nagkakulay yung buong buhay namin, yung mundo namin. And continue to use your talent, di ba? And you always put God first. And yun yung talagang gustong-gusto namin. And as a Christian like you, super na-inspire ako sa'yo and also sa mga words mo, sa mga pinapakita mo, and yung ikaw na Hit Hernandez. So thank you so much talaga. And kaming Hit Wavers, lahat ng fans mo, lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa'yo, nandito lang kami at hindi ka lang iiwan kahit 10 years, 100 years, forever infinity! Thank you! Ayun lang, thank you!
Ate,
So much po.
buksan natin. Gusto mo ikaw magpapasa siya. Ay, hindi ikaw na. Sorry, huwag kang tiun na yan. Sorry. Oh, buksan.
Wow. Yes, I'm almost a black belter. Kaya ko maraming tumbaks. Sir. Kung gusto mo, basta galing ko sa inyo. Yo!
Ako kasi gusto ko yan eh.
Yo! It is a tough looking sword.
Thank you.
Yo! Last night. Thank you. Yo! I'm gonna display this in my room. Nakaganon. I'll use it in the fight scene.
Yes. Next naman tayo, gift.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi, Angelo.
Hello po. Hi, Moy! Iiyak yan si Ad! Go, Angelo! We love you!
Gusto ko lang sabihin na super proud na ako sa'yo. Kaming lahat, ng mga fans mo.
We're proud of you!
Kasi, nung binuo natin yung Hit Wavers, ilang ng members na, ilang lang ang naniniwala sa'yo before pumasok ng bahay ni Kuya. Ang running joke namin is pagpasok mo si Ate Heather pa ang ika-10 member ng Hit Wavers.
Let's go, Ate Heather!
But tingnan mo lahat ngayon na nagmamahal sa'yo mo ngayon. Maraming pang nasa buong Pilipinas and abroad. Malayo na pero malayo pa. Pero super proud kami sa'yo sa lahat ng achievements mo and lagi patuloy kami namahal ng lahat ng fans hindi lang dahil sa talent, sa looks, but more on talaga sa attitude.
Yes! Tama!
Kasi tuwing makakasama ko si Moy, talagang super bait, super genuine. Kung ano yung nakikita niya sa TV na ugali niya sa PBB, ganun po siya sa personal. Kaya nakaka-proud maging fan ni Moy and
Agree!
kaya love you Moy, love you.
Love you too, Angelo.
Kailangan, mahal na mahal ka namin, proud na proud kami sa'yo. Nandito lang kami lagi para supportahan ka sa lahat ng mga projects, lahat ng decisions mo in life. Nandito lang kami sa likod mo para supportahan ka. Love you, Moy!
Love you, boy!
We love you. Kaya open na natin yung gift. Forward. Para hindi na tayo mahirapan.
Laki na ito.
Ito muna.
Sisirain din pala natin yung rapper. Pinaghirapan pa natin.
Power bank kayo. Power bank.
Power bank. Power bank. Thank you po. Ads. Ads. Kailan mo? Now na? Abot ko now?
4, 1926, HMJ. Then sa back is St. Michael Bernales. Para remember sa first ever fan meet mo.
We love you, It!
Love you, Mama.
Oh, nakaka-touch. Not that way. Ganun kasi.
I-adjust. Adjust.
Hello, baka mawala. Mahulog. Surprise! It's a prank! Joke lang.
Buzzbear! With ano na rin, with Heatwave t-shirt para maalala mo lagi yung first ever fan con mo.
Iyakapin ko ito mamaya matulog. Yo! Everything's special.
Go!
What is this? The second.
Again, maraming salamat, kids. Sorry if you have something to tell to them. Go ahead.
Guys, thank you so much po. Kahit mga gifts na ganito, na-appreciate mo po. Kahit isang, hi boy, ang pogi mo, you're so upset. Kahit ano po, kahit you just say my name po, na-appreciate ko na po yun. And I'm super happy po sa support na binibigay nyo, lahat ng mga gifts, kada event. Ano po kayo mga binibigay na gifts po sa akin. And every single one matters so much to me po. And natutuwa po na you guys give so much effort, like to support me, na bibili pa po kayo ng gifts, mga ganun po. I thank you guys so much. You guys are the best fans I could ever ask for. Thank you everyone.
We love you!
Love you, Moy. We're so proud of you.
Yes. Thank you. You deserve all the love and support. Kaya deserve din natin, of course, mag-group photo. Ayan, please. Ayan, thank you. Maraming salamat. Sige.
People po sa opportunity na binigay nila sa akin. All the gifts, all the praise, all the Gozon Valdez, Miss Joy Marcelo, Boss Vic Del Rosario, Gerald Chan, XHY Entertainment Production Manager, Ate Nina Dimali, Head Writer, Kuya Joe Mariap, Direct J. Leo, and the entire production team. Maraming salamat po sa support na binigay niyo po and made this possible. And to ABS-CBN Music Promo and Marketing Friends, Garcia and team. Lors Diaz and team, William Garcia and team, to my clan team, Rodel Brinias, Tasia Palek, Dil Malari, and of course to my family and friends, thank you guys so much for attending the concert, and you guys are the best po. Sa inyo lahat, and to all the production, Jimmy and the ABS, maraming salamat po for making everything possible po. You guys are the best, of the best, of the bestest. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Love you guys.